Let's learn how to make this circle bar chart together. This is a tutorial for a manual bar chart, and no PowerPoint Smart Art will be used. First, insert an arc shape and resize it to 3 centimeters for both width and height. Then position the shape at the center of the slide and complete the circle. With a right-click on the shape, open the drop-down and select Format Shape. In the appearing menu on the right side, you can now increase the width of your arc. For this graphic, we are increasing to 22. If you would like, you can adjust the color before the next step. Then duplicate your shape. Give the second shape a different color than the first one. Since we are working with an arc shape, be careful to always select an outline color and not a shape filling. Then place both shapes exactly above each other. With the yellow dots which appear when clicking on the shape, you can now adjust your upper arc. This gives the bar chart effect. Now add a shadow to the background shape. Group both shapes and duplicate. Then resize the duplicated shape to 5 centimeters for both width and height and place around the smaller circle. Repeat this process 2 more times. The third shape should be reshaped to 7 centimeters and the fourth shape to 9 centimeters. Now select all shapes. Using the Arrange drop-down, align them in both the center and the middle. For easier selection of the shapes, when changing the colors in the upcoming step, ungroup everything. To adjust the color of the background shapes, select all of them and adjust the color at once to reduce repetitive steps. Then adjust each one of the bar charts to the needed length and give them a color to your liking or based on brand colors. Next, insert a text box and label it as needed. Adjust the writing font, writing size, writing color, and writing style to your liking using the upper left toolbar. Place the text box on a fitting part of the slide and duplicate 3 more times, stacking the shapes vertically. With the options in the Arrange drop-down, center the shapes and distribute them vertically. Then select all the text boxes and adjust the length to fit the longest word. There should be no leftover space on the side of the text box. Now add in a bended arrow. Make sure it is properly connected to the beginning of your bar chart circle as well as the text box. The connection points are indicated in gray and turn green once the shapes are connected. Then select a color for the arrow. You can move the position of the arrow bend with the yellow dot. Repeat this process with the remaining 3 text boxes and always make sure the arrow is well connected. Once this is completed, add in a circle shape and resize it to 1 centimeter for both width and height. Move the circle onto the beginning of the upper bar chart circle. Then fill the circle with a light color. Give the outline the same color as the according bar chart. Then duplicate the shape 3 more times and place them on the remaining circle bars. Select all shapes, and with the Arrange drop-down, make sure they are aligned in the center and distributed vertically. Then go to Insert and click on Icon. Use the search bar to find an icon that fits your needs and insert. Resize the icon to fit into the small circle and give it the same color as the circle outline. Then place the icon at the center of the circle. Repeat this process 3 times to fill the other shapes. Don't forget to adjust their outline color too. And there, you have your circle bar chart. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.